the vlog.
It's a vlog. We're starting off with the vlog, the second vlog of the year. We are moving. So right now we are heading to Walmart. We're heading over to Walmart. We're gonna grab some boxes and all that shit.
It's La Gual.
La Gual. We're going to La Gual. I didn't want to film today because I'm having like a low confidence day. But I was like, fuck it, you know, we all have one of those, right? Or am I the only one? I said fuck it, and I'm just gonna film even when I don't feel my hottest. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Walmart. You wanted the 2 large?
Yeah.
That many, you think? We're gonna have to come back, so.
Well, I'm gonna say
that is not enough.
Let's just stick with this, and then if we need more, we can get more.
Yeah, it's fine. All the decor here. We have a little bit left. We got Dave and I. It'll focus on us. It's so dusty. Let me wipe this off. And I'm actually gonna go through Wally's toy basket because he honestly doesn't even use them all. He only uses one toy. All of a sudden he wants all his toys, but he never pulls those out.
Can.
Yes, he can. Look, here he comes for another one. Watch. All of a sudden, you want all your toys. You're waiting for the next one?
It's his toys, because usually they do that. Dogs do that. Like Bella and...
Last one. We have 2 boxes of home decor now. This one has like all of the glass and vases, and it's literally so heavy, like it's gonna be a mission, but these are ready to be closed. This packed up the Sharpie. How are we gonna write what these are? Okay guys, we got some paint marker pen. It's the best we can find.
You have to shake it and like prep.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm an artist now. Alright guys, I wanted to show you guys some quick progress. There's not much, but David took this apart. I don't know why. I didn't think he should have, but he says it's gonna save us space in the U-Haul. We got another large box here. We did already have some other boxes here. Did these during the week. And then we have more boxes here. We have our box for our TV still. Nothing's happened in the kitchen, but I definitely want to declutter. This is a mess. And my next place, it's gonna be organized. And then we need to finish this closet. It's mostly David's stuff. Like these we're just gonna carry out. And then we have our gym equipment down here that we'll just carry out. And then our camera equipment needs to be packed. We left these down here so our neighbors can grab stuff.
Not the puzzle piece. Someone else did. Hot chicken.
Yeah. You guys, Dave's hot chicken. So good, you guys. So good. If you're ever in LA, it's a must-have. We have started in the bedroom. I'm gonna start packing my clothes. I'm gonna put it all in here, and I'm probably gonna put these with my clothes as well. I am gonna start with my leggings. This is like all my fitness wear. I think I'm gonna wear these throughout the weeks, my little sets. So here's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. just so that my suitcase, oh yeah, I haven't even told you guys. I'm gonna be living, I did tell you guys, I'm gonna be living out of my suitcase for the whole week just so I can pack everything and just keep one pair of shoes. Yes, I know I have a ton of fitness clothes, but I've actually cut down. I just hate having to do so much laundry with fitness clothes. I just work out often enough that it becomes a lot of laundry. All right. This lighting is immaculate. All right, guys, we are gonna be packing up the kitchen today, and we literally have not that many boxes left. So today is Thursday, so I definitely need to finish up the boxes. So if we need more, we can go back to Walmart and grab some more. But I'm making myself a sandwich. So let me take my lunch break, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I want to accomplish today because I'm going crazy. This right here is all a freaking mess. We are 3 days away from moving, and I just want to get all the boxes used up to make sure if we need more, we can go grab them. Also, I feel so bad for Wally. His bowl broke and he doesn't have like a complete set. But when we move, also, I basically just want to package up all the appliances. All of this disaster. This is a disaster. These are empty besides my hot Cheetos. I don't know about you guys, but in my Mexican household growing up, we never used the dishwasher. It's always been storage. Here, that wasn't by choice. It was because our dishwasher doesn't work anyways. So we just keep our, I'll show you, pots and pans here basically. And then in here is like our dishes. They're not so well organized, which in my next place I hope to have them. Well, what do you mean I hope? I will have them more organized, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna pick and choose because some stuff like is ready to go. Like for example, this cup, it has like stains that just doesn't come off anymore. Anything that's like stained, like it's just time to toss out. So yeah, let's get started. I got one box down, all of our supplements, Wally's food. I'm gonna leave it open, obviously. Our protein powders. You guys, do not waste your time on other brands. These here from Women's Best, so smooth and easy to drink, which I have a hard time drinking protein shake because I hate the taste, but these are good. Highly recommend. So far, this is all the stuff that I'm gonna give away. I'm just gonna leave them downstairs for my neighbors. They grab shit. Just like these containers. Now that I work from home, I don't need like these containers for like packing a lunch. And then these are like the worst I've ever had. I got them at like Marshall's or something, and they just suck. And this water bottle, I grew out of it. I have my huge water bottle now. So I'm just gonna leave these downstairs for the neighbors. Hi guys, we're going to Walmart because we ran out of boxes. This is our third time going back for boxes, so that kind of sucks. It's 2 days before moving day, so we want to just get it today so we pack tomorrow, and if we need any more we can get them tomorrow. Here's Wally. Anyways, we're also gonna go eat sushi at our spot that we liked here for the very last time. We're gonna have to find new places to eat at. That's gonna be hard because David and I are both not foodies. You guys, we were panicking the other night. We were just like pillow talking about how we're scared to drive the big ass U-Haul.
Well, I've never driven that size because I've driven
the baby U-Haul.
The smaller U-Hauls. the one right above the van, and this time it's a 1-bedroom U-Haul.
It's a 15-foot.
15?
Yes, 15.
Is it? Oh yeah, you're right.
50,
Yeah.
I don't know.
But
right?
I don't know.
That
I
seems
just
really big.
I just know that on when you order it, it says
David,
the 1
it can't
bedroom.
be 15 feet. That's really big, bro.
But I've never driven that size, and it feels like I'm gonna be driving an 18-wheeler.
Because you guys, last time when we got the U-Haul, I was moving out of my roommates, and David was moving out of his roommates. So we just had rooms. Now we are adults. We have furniture. We have a freaking apartment we have to move, and we actually need the bigger one. So I was afraid that David was going to be flipping when he goes over the really high
She's exaggerating
bridges.
there. She thinks so.
I was like, oh my god, you're gonna flip over, you're gonna fall. I'm just overthinking it. I guess we'll see. Let's go eat some sushi.
I'll wrap your ass and murder you.
Shut the fuck up. We are about to pull into, it's like right by our house.
I mean, if you're familiar with
The show Euphoria. Sorry, my window's down because it's really hot today. Oh right, this is where they filmed, if you guys remember. So right here is that one spot. Pull in. The Franks.
Is it this?
Yes, it was. I seen a TikTok of them showing it too as well. And then back here, yeah. So this is the hotel.
Is it?
Yes, this is the hotel.
That's what's up. And then this is the little entrance thing.
Yes.
It's so crazy how they,
and then that's
they
like
make
the
it look
restaurant
so different.
scene. Yeah. But I seen a TikTok of this,
Like this little part.
of people that were filming while they were here. David is going to take apart our coffee table and wrap it. Oh my god, have you guys watched The Ultimatum? It's probably like everybody's watched it by the time this vlog is out. But it's so good. I love the show. Alright. He's sweating because
I'm getting sweaty.
just don't put your body weight, bitch, on my table.
No, I mean I have to like crease it.
So
right
we're trying to figure out how to protect it, but it's really difficult because it's heavy. So David tried rolling it like a lunch bag over here. And now David
Here, I got it. It's
step
all
on it with your whole ass body weight.
Got nails, so it's probably harder for you. Look, she can't get it.
Let me see. She's trying to get the tape with those nails. It's never
Ain't
gonna
no
happen.
This is why a broken nail is useful.
Oh shit.
Thank you. The weather is amazing today. So we are on our last walk in our neighborhood, our last family walk. It's gonna be a long one. The weather is amazing today, so I'm gonna show you guys all my favorite houses in this neighborhood. Oh, B.
This is one of your favorites, right?
This one's cute. This one's really cute. I love how like vibey and dark it is. I'm afraid to pass by these crows.
Why?
They're not flying away. They're scary and they're big.
They're walking away because we got their.
They're huge.
Let's go over there then. I don't want
Let's cross the street.
They're not even big.
Yes, they are. They're as big as Wally, bro.
Come on.
Guys, there's like a neighborhood garage sale.
All over the place.
They're all
right?
over the
When we're gonna
place,
move.
right? And
Why?
these people are rich. Like, let me show you the big ass houses around here. David likes this house right here with the wood.
It's alright. I just hate that there isn't much drive space.
Whoever this person is, they have a security. This is my favorite house. It's recently built. They're building the same one next to it, but I can't even show you how big it is. Like,
It's for sure like a 6-7 bedroom.
probably, yeah. It's
That
ginormous.
one's huge too.
That
Look at
one's
it.
huge. This is like just as big.
And
Like,
we're
in person, like they're fucking huge. On the camera, you can't really like tell how big they are, but they're giant. It's huge. And the one next to it is
Well,
like a
look
brown
at the
color.
car to the size
This,
of what the
yeah, the
house
car
is.
compared to the side, the house. So nice. Last house. Oh, they did change the garage. This one's also really modern. Maybe they broke in. How scary. We're back to packing. Last day. Everything must be packed. We wrapped the mirror. We gotta close these up. And there's still so much shit to do. I'm going crazy. Dark in here now, but basically we are done. We tossed out our rug. TV's down and packaged. Nice. Now we're gonna take back our bulbs because these are like
Our bulbs.
our light bulbs, because these are like $15 a bulb.
And they're the white ones?
They're the white ones instead of the yellow ones. If you're a YouTuber, guys, switch your light bulbs. Nice.
I'm so crazy, babe. We can count all the stars in the sky as they pass by your face. On your face. Take a trip up to Mars, hold you tight in my arms all the way. First time out of space.